Hello and welcome to Siddhi. This video is about ACIO cutoffs. In the earlier video that we did, I made a grave mistake with respect to calculating the numbers. The original idea was that the number of selections would vary between 1:10 to 1:8 for Tier 2. So we can expect around 35,000 candidates to be selected for Tier 2. We used the same number and we divided the number into different categories, that is UR, OBC, EWS, SC and ST. But while filling the numbers and the cutoffs there, I overlooked that the Rankers Mitra data that we were using had only 47,000 aspirants data, whereas the real number is much higher, because of which I made that mistake. So once again, I am extremely sorry for coming up with those wrong numbers. Here are the revised numbers. So based on the data that is there, you can expect UR cutoff to be around 56.5 to 57.5. OBC is around 52.5 to 53.5. The main correction that I had to do is in SC/ST cutoffs, and they will vary somewhere between 44 to 45. Now there are two different shifts. 18th September shift number 2 is considered as the easiest shift. If you wrote exam on this shift, that is on the easiest shift, you can increase this cutoff by 2 numbers. When I say +2, it is about increasing this cutoff by +2 numbers. So if your shift is on 18 September 2nd, your cutoff will be closer to 60 and EWS cutoff could be closer to some 53. Similarly, if your exam is on 18th September shift number 3, it is considered as a hardest shift. So please reduce these numbers by 1.5 marks. So if your exam is on 18th September shift number 3, UR category, you can expect a cutoff of around 56 marks, whereas in EWS category, you can expect around 49.5, etc. So this is about the expected cutoffs. Now with respect to normalization, the impact of normalization is going to be minimal. See, the difference between average mark of a top shift, that is a difficult shift, and easiest shift is less than 9. So when the difference is so less, you will have lesser impact of normalization. So this is about Tier 2, and if your scores are anywhere closer to these figures, please don't waste any time. You start preparing for Tier 2. As a part of Tier 2 guidance series on YouTube, on this very channel, we will do videos of Tier 2 syllabus, key elements of essay, expected topic of essay, important elements of answer, and how to write an answer in 10 to 12 minutes, and what are the key sources of preparation. I will teach you how to prepare for essays and long answers, etc. Please don't worry about it. In the comment section of this video, you are free to ask any kinds of doubts with respect to Tier 2 preparation. We will address those questions as a part of Tier 2 guidance. All the best.